Stop bending, digging, and struggling with your garden. What if growing fresh herbs and vegetables and beautiful flowers was this easy? Meet the raised garden bed outdoor planter box, your new favorite way to garden, smarter, not harder. With its elevated design, you can roll around all that you need. You can plant, grow, and harvest without ever kneeling or straining your back. Being on wheels, it's so easy you can move it anywhere. You can chase the sun or bring the plants closer to you when you need them. It's perfect for herbs, for tomatoes, flowers, or veggies. Whether you've got a patio, balcony, or backyard, there's no mess, no hassle, just fresh, homegrown goodness and beautiful flowers right at your fingertips. This was provided for me from my honest opinion, and I love it. I love this handle that makes it easy to roll. It comes in gray, this light gray color here, or a black. It's only 29.5 inches wide, and it has this draining airflow then at the bottom here that is slanted so the water and the dirt falls out, and it has this grid tray here for you to stack plants or boots or your potting soil or tools. No bending. The 32-inch height reduces knee strain, and the 37-inch tray holds all the tools and fertilizer. No messy patio. It has a lifetime warranty for rust and bending, and this is a very sturdy, well-made device. It can hold up to 400 pounds. And I love the versatility of it. This bucket area at the top is very wide. It's really nice. I highly recommend it. I think you'll love it too.